Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Access. In this module, I want to show you how you can add a chart to a form. So let's create a blank form. So create form design, and I'm just going to make that a bit bigger. You don't need to attach anything to this to get the chart. You just need to make sure you're on the Format Design tab, and then you have this icon, Insert Modern Chart. Now, the one I'm going to go for is the first one, the default one. Custard column, clicking on that, and then I'm going to draw a rectangle, which is going to be the base of my chart, and you get a little preview there. Now, what you have to do is decide where you're getting the information from, whether it's table, there's a list of your tables, queries, list of queries, or both. So I want to get some information from the query, and I want sales details, query sales details, and then it will give me a bit of an idea of what I want. So you've got access categories there. So I'm going to tick product. So it comes up with the 4 products that I have in this database, which is what I want. And then coming down, you've got other options. I don't really need to change any of this. Values, I've got sales value as an option. That's the sales value, like so. So that's actually what I want. Just going to go back up to the top because you have format options, which I'm going to click on, where you've got the ability to change some of this data. So I'll just go order value as a title, like a subtitle if you like, for there. Then you've got different options here where you can change the colors if you want. Let's go pink this time, instead of going green. And then further down here, you've got display data labels. And if I tick that, comes on with a figure, but none of these figures are formatted to currency, which I need to change. And then you can just play around with these things. If they're relevant, you can tick them on or off. Now, to get that into pounds and also to do the chart title, you need to go into the property sheet. And when you're in the property sheet, you need to get onto the All tab. Now, down the bottom here, you've got lots and lots of different features where you can select how you want to format this chart. I want to get the labels to be in currency. So you've got primary values down here, down the bottom there, you've got a format option, primary value is format with a little drop down, and in there you can select currency. Now that's quite hard to find, but once you do find it, it's okay. You've got it there. I can just get rid of this for now. So we've got this on this side. Now, if we go back to format, what I want to do is this chart title. I can't click on that to change it. Everything else is okay. I'm happy with that. But I need to find the chart title so I can change the chart title. So there you see chart title. It's just got that there. And I'm going to call that product sales or something like that. Now when I click off that, it puts that in there for me. So once you're finished with this, you can close the properties down and then have a look at it. There's your little chart. You don't even need that. You could delete that off if you didn't want it. But that is dynamic. As your sales increase, so will this. And you can do the same sort of thing on a report, which I'll do at a later date. But that's all I want to talk about now, how you can create a chart on a form. So hopefully that was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.